Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can build a membership site inside Webflow using MemberStack. So let's get started. First, MemberStack is a great choice because it's fast, beginner-friendly, and affordable. To begin, you'll need to structure your project properly inside Webflow. Create a home page, a login page, a sign-up page, and a gated content folder. Gated content simply means pages that only members can access, such as a user dashboard, a course, or a job posting page. In this example, the protected pages will be a blog dashboard and a post job page. Next, install MemberStack by copying the installation code from the MemberStack site and pasting it into your Webflow project settings, then save and publish. After that, connect your sign-up form. Go to the sign-up page, select your form, and add the attribute DataEms form with a value of sign-up. Then select the email field and add DataEms member with a value of email. For the password field, add DataEms member set to password, and also add DataEms show with a value of true. Do the same for the login form. Select the container, add DataEms form with login, then tag the email field with DataEms member =email and the password field with DataEms member =password, and again add DataEms show =true. Now create a membership plan in MemberStack. You can make it free or paid depending on your model. Select Add Plan, choose a free plan for now, give it a name, and create it. Next, add gated content. Open your plan settings, click Gated Content, and add a new rule. Copy your gated folder URL from Webflow and paste it here. To prevent unauthorized access, set your access denied URL to your sign-up page so users without access are redirected to sign up. After this, configure redirect rules so users are guided to the right pages. After sign-up and login, send them to the user dashboard, and after logout, redirect them to the home page. Now it's time to add a logout button. Select your logout button and add the attribute DataEms action with a value of logout. Then connect the plan to your design by copying your plan ID from MemberStack and adding DataEms plan. Add to the correct element in Webflow. Once done, go to MemberStack settings and add your domain so the site connects properly. Finally, test everything. Make sure gated pages can't be accessed without logging in. Try signing up and confirm you land on the dashboard. Check if the blog and post job pages open correctly once logged in. Then test the logout button to confirm it redirects you to the home page. If everything works, you're all set. For a bonus, you can even get 3 free months of Webflow by grabbing a promo code from the special offer site, pasting it into Webflow, and applying it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.